Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, uh, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9, with me, Richard, here. Yes. Yeah, today we're looking at this case. It says that a star is considered to be born once nuclear fusion reaction starts at its center. Initially, 4 hydrogen atoms combine to form 1 helium atom. And the question says that what term is given to a star that is converting hydrogen to helium? Yes, what is the name given to such a star? We call it main sequence star. Yeah, then this question comes. It says that name the factors which determine the observable properties of a star. Yeah, what are these factors? The first one is mass. Then composition. What is the star is composed of? Next one is age. How old is the star? At what stage is the star? And then distance. In what distance are we observing the star? Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that name the factors that determine the color of a star. Yeah, what factor determines the color of a star? The factor is temperature of the surface of the star. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that consider the colors of each of the stars below: yellow, orange, red, and blue. And the question says that identify which of the star is the hottest. Okay, so how do we answer this? Oh, you need to remember that when you go to the visible color spectrum, Richard of York gave birth in Venus. Yes, the hotness increases along that line with the frequency. The higher the frequency, the more the energy. So you start from, when you choose from this color, the one which is on the far right, the farthest to the right is the hottest. So which one is that? The answer is blue. Yes, because violet, indigo, we don't have it, but we have blue. So the answer here is going to be blue. Okay. Then we go to the second one. Which one is the coolest? You start from the left. And do you have red? Yes, red is there. So red is the coolest. So the answer here is red. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that a young star, which is converting hydrogen to helium through nuclear fusion, is called main sequence star. That one we know. And now this statement comes. How long a main sequence star lives depends on its mass. And they say, explain. Yes, how long a star lives in a particular phase, it depends on its mass. The bigger the mass of the star, the faster it shifts to the next phase. Reason being that, yes, it has a lot of mass, but also it uses energy at a faster rate because it attains a very high temperature. So the bigger the mass is, the faster it reaches death, or the faster it goes through the phases. Yes, that is it. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that when hydrogen in the center of the Earth is depleted, the star core shrinks and heat up. This causes the outer part of the star and its atmosphere to expand, becoming larger and brighter. As the surface temperature cools, it grows red. So the question comes, it says, what is the name given to this red structure formed? Yeah, what is it? We call it red giant star. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9 with me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.